You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Come test drive the 2021 GLA. The Mercedes GLA class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of other Mercedes models. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, clock, brake assist, tachometer, steering wheel controls. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.